Hey there, in today's video, we're going to explore a cool trick to make your online content more appealing to search engines and attract visitors to your website. Whether you're a blogger, content writer, or even copywriter, ChatGPT is here to help. With ChatGPT, you can effortlessly craft top-notch content that boosts your online presence. Say goodbye to time-consuming research and writing. Now you can create content with ease using ChatGPT right in your notepad. So, let's dive in and learn how to create SEO-optimized content with the help of ChatGPT. Ready? Let's go! Just head over to ChatGPT and let's get started. Imagine you're looking to create a fantastic blog post. Well, it's as easy as chatting with ChatGPT. Just ask it to write a blog post and tell it the topic you're interested in. For example, you can say something like, "Hey ChatGPT, could you help me write a blog post about cryptocurrency?" And boom, you're on your way to an awesome piece of content. If you're aiming for a friendlier tone in your content, no worries. You can totally ask ChatGPT to give it a more friendly spin. Just say something like, "Hey ChatGPT, could you help me rewrite a blog post about cryptocurrency in a friendly way?" And you'll have content that's warm and inviting. You've probably noticed that our content got a rewrite, but hey, if you're hungry for even more improvements, no problem. Just ask ChatGPT to keep churning out those rewrites until the content shines with clarity and information. Just let it know you want more and it'll keep working for you. If you're a bit unsure about the exact topic to dive into, no worries. Take a look at what we've got here, a bunch of prompts and options ready for you to use and create your content. So, let's break it down into 3 easy steps to generate an SEO-optimized blog using ChatGPT. Let's get started. Step 1 is all about snagging the prefect title for your blog post. To get started, simply request GPT's help. For instance, I'm planning to ask ChatGPT to brainstorm a few blog post ideas linked to cryptocurrency. That's where the ChatGPT title generator takes the spotlight. This one come up variety of title that can choose from for your blog post. Once you've picked out your title, the next step is to make sure you've got those keywords locked in. No stress, we've got your back. Let us walk you through it. All you need to do is head over to Google and type in Google Keyword Planner. Give it a click and dive into the world of discovery by hitting Go to Keyword Planner. From there, just tap on Discover New Keywords. In the search box, punch in your blog title keyword. Like mine, cryptocurrency, and then hit that Get Results button. You're on your way. As you can see, the results are in. Now, here's the scoop. You'll want to figure out which country is going to give you the most traffic based on your chosen keywords. Once you've got that sorted, it's time to roll up your sleeves and pick the perfect title that matches up with your findings. Choosing smartly means you're on the right track. What if you don't know your title keyword? No problem, get back to GPT and ask by simply give me keywords for those title and hit enter. As you can see, we have got keywords under the title, then copy and paste and make your analysis properly. Once we've locked in our blog post title, the next move is to whip up some awesome content to match. Here's the game plan: grab the title you've chosen, and then swing back over to ChatGPT. Pop open a new tab, fire up ChatGPT, and then ask it to help you create some SEO-friendly, human-written content. Just give it a nudge with something like, "Hey ChatGPT, can you write an SEO-based article about cryptocurrency 101, a beginner guide?" And let the magic unfold. As you can see that we have generated our content. Once the content generated, read and make a correction if needed. Next we'll check whether this content is completely unique. As you know, when you create blog post, it should not have many duplicate content. To check that, go to Duplicate Checker website. Then click on it. Once you in the website, go back to GPT and copy-paste your generated content. Then click Check Plagiarism. The process may take little longer based on your amount of page and your internet connection. As you can see that 87% of our content unique, which is pretty cool. When you scroll down, you'll see highlighted contents, which means that was a duplicated idea. To resolve that, copy highlighted content and go to ChatGPT. Ask GPT to rewrite the content with 100% unique, then paste the sentence or click on Make It Unique. By doing that, you can remove duplicate sentence from your blog. Then check it again. As you can see that 100% unique sentence, you can remove duplicated sentence too. But ChatGPT should store it again in friendly tone. Once you have replaced all duplicated content, we jump on the next step. Step 3 will be publish this content as blog post on our WordPress website. To do that, go to WordPress website, then pass step by step. First the title one and edit font and necessary thing, then one sub, one like, one share, repeated 100 times serves as a powerful motivation for us to continue creating more videos like this. Your support fuels our drive to deliver content that resonates with you. We should have to install plugin Rank Math to our WordPress website. This plugin helps us check if our blog post is completely optimized for search engine optimization. To install, go to WordPress admin panel and click on Plugins, then type Rank Math SEO. On the first you will get Rank Math. Install now. And activate. After you install, go to your blog post. As you can see that we have got search engine optimization score, which means we have got 11% out of 100 to make our blog post on the top of the search result. We need to optimize the content. To do that, just click here, Rank Math SEO. You can see that Rank Math is given a few suggestions to optimize the content, so read those suggestions to get high traffic. Once you do that, your SEO score will automatically increase. So if we check out the first one, you can see that ranked by the suggested to add focus keyword to the SEO. What is focus keyword? Focus keyword is like secret code that helps search engines understand what is the content is about and make your content to reach out targeted audience more effectively. For instance, if someone writing about day trading, their focus keyword might be day trading strategies or day trading strategies. There is no focus keyword there, so to do that we'll ask ChatGPT by simply copy our title and ask GPT. Give a focus keyword for this blog title and pass the title. As you can see that we got our focus keyword, copy paste that keyword. After doing that, our rank will automatically increase. In the same way, we can read suggestions and change them on the next part. Add focus keyword in the meta description. This is what meta description looks like. This will improve your SEO, get high rank. To do that, click on Edit Snippet, then go to ChatGPT, select New Chat, scroll down, click on Meta Title and Description, then paste your title. It'll generate, copy them and paste on it, and as you can see, do same thing by simply ChatGPT and make a correction. Then when your rank above 90%, update your site. By the way, when your score above 90 mean you're successfully optimized your site, which means when someone search related content, you have the chance to get attention. That's it. Okay guys, this is how you can create and optimize your blog post with ChatGPT. Also, don't forget to subscribe to get more video like this.